Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam Tambo. I do all things motivation, inspiration and vlogs. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to Kwisoko, whatever. It's a game ranch. I'll be able to show the place once we get there. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. How have you guys been? Chat with me in the comment section. My outfit of the day is just a crop top and the trousers. Just simple Game Ranch vibes. So I'm starting the vlog right now. I don't know how the day is going to unfold, but please subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below what other thing you'd like me to do. You guys, I'm back for good. I'm back on YouTube like for good. So tell your aunties and uncles that Fine Babe from Zambia is back. Let me show you guys my scents. My baby got me these. I really love them. Comment down below if you use them. So the pack comes like this. It looks very cute, something like this, you guys. I'm so happy. And this is my earrings. Yeah, I got them from a friend of mine. It's very beautiful. I'm trying to open them, but I'm failing. But this is what it looks like. Bella Theater something. That's like an oil perfume. They're really nice. You should try them out. So right now it is currently, what time is it right now? It's currently 11:32. So I should be able to tell you guys how the day will unfold. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, so before the trip I want to have something to eat, so it's just gonna get me food. So I just want to give you guys an update on what's been going on. So today's weather is currently chilly. You know what, that weather when it's not cold, again it's not hot, it's just chilly. Yeah, that's the weather like today. I've never been to the Game Ranch. I'd like to know your experience. Have you ever gone to a Game Ranch before? Have you? Comment down below. If you have, where did you go? How was your experience? What activities did you do? Because when we're checking online, we discovered that they had activities like fishing, what else? Fishing, viewing of the game park, of course, and another thing I've forgotten it. But there's one thing I'm going for, to sit on those bikes. I've forgotten what it's called. You know those two big bikes? I want to sit there and take a picture. Yes, that's why I'm going there, actually. I'll give you guys a story time of what happened. I had gone to some place, I'll not mention the name. I had gone to fish. Yo guys, the fishing experience was hectic. Like, we're using a stick and a wire. So my first time fishing experience wasn't so good. I'm hoping this time to be better. Yeah guys, I'm very happy to be back on YouTube. I'm very happy. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos I've been giving you back to back. The other one I had gone to Sandy's Creation. Now we are here at Game Ranch Lusaka. Actually, I'm craving a shawarma, guys. Like, you know, there's no place like Lusaka. Like, truth be told, Lusaka is the city. If you've looked at Lusaka before, then you go to another town, maybe because of work or marriage or anything else, you discover that the things you took for granted when you're in Lusaka, you get to miss them. So it's just a simple chit chat. So many things have happened over the years, over the few months, guys. Like, guys, thank you so much for not giving up on me. The few people who stayed subscribed on my channel, thank you for not giving up. Like, I'm back now. I'm back and better. I'll talk to you all about it soon, but I think I'm happy right now and I'm in the best. You know what they say, you can only give out the best when you're feeling the best yourself. You cannot pour from an empty cup. So now that I feel better, I'm able to give you guys videos on YouTube. So please welcome me by giving me a thumbs up in the comment section. Like my comments, engage with me and share.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me below. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I tell.
Hi guys, after a long ride, we came to the place. It's Kwisoko Game Ranch. Finally, like, gosh. So when you get to this place, you'd have to pay 100 kwacha entry. That's just for you to enter the place. These are the activities. So many activities there. So different activities attract different fees. So watch this video to find out how much money I paid for a particular activity. We were going for quad biking and fishing. So watch the video to find out how much each activity costs. But at least I've told you people the entry fee. We got into the place, we welcomed by animals. Look at this zebra. It's got big booty. Big bootied animal.
Really?
So guys, okay, so we've reached. This is my outfit of the day. Just some jeans and top. This is like guys, I was talking about this. This is why I'm here. I'm excited. Guys, wish me luck. Do you think I managed to do this? Comment down below. Hi guys, so we are still at the area. Let me just check with you what time it is. It's currently 4:26 p.m. So we want to fish. We're done with the quad bike. You guys saw the clips. So now we want to fish. Have you seen the water? Yeah, so if you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below. You guys are having the time of my life. Guys, did you let me tell you guys something. We saw a zebra. That was, I'll insert a clip, you see it. Like it's crazy. You guys, I'm just sunbasking. Look at my fine babe. You guys, it's a nice place here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. So he has to throw in some food. I don't know what this fish food is, and that's the fishing rod. So we are going to see. So what did you say to him? So
Nothing.
Sorry, baby. So, if you sing is back again. It's tough to fish. It's an exercise.
It's a sport.
Some people even come and have the dog to fish. Let me just listen. The fish is there. There. You see there, huh? You see the water shaking. Another one. Sorry. This fish is too white. That's how it looks when it comes from the water.
Yes.
Even what's the brand of this fish?
It's tilapia.
Tilapia. Which is bream. Money. Guys, so we are done fishing. And then now we are waiting for the fish. We want to see if it's really good. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite parts of this video. What next would you like to see on my YouTube channel? If you are given the opportunity to come here, which activity would you take? Would you go on the bikes, the quad bikes? Would you fish? Would you do game viewing? Or if you have kids, would you bring your kids to the trampolines, their swimming pools? I'm curious to know what you would do if you had the opportunity to come. Have you heard those things crying there? What is that crying? Is it the ostrich? No, the goats, the sheep? I don't know. So yeah, guys, see you on the next part of the video. So guys, the fish we fished, is correct. The fish we fished, the fish we got from the pond is this one.
The fish we caught.
The fish we caught. So I want to test it. I'll need your honest opinion about it, baby. I thought this was a butter. So guys, we'll be back. You like it? It's tasty?
Very tasty.
It's hot. That is nice, baby. It's hot.
Very fresh.
Hi guys, so it's currently sunset and then we are going for another quad bike. So I'm excited. I just want to use the washroom and then we can quickly go for another bike ride. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys loved it. It's currently 6:28 p.m. We are now going home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section if you'd visit this place and what would you do. It was very nice. I enjoyed my time. I hope to come back soon. Until next time, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys. Love you so much.